One, an informed citizenry will easily detect election offenses, will understand the laws that govern the electoral process. Two, an informed citizenry will be quick to determine that which is unlawful in an electoral process. Thirdly, when citizens understand the law and the processes involved, which of course can and will only happen through enhanced civic education, political education and awareness, which is always undertaken by civil society organizations and other stakeholders, including politicians and political parties. Citizens should always be quick to identify those election offenses as established by law. Secondly, they can work either through civil society organizations or work with various actors within the legal process to make sure that they record and file, whether there are petitions in court that indicate what kind of election offenses took place. And those offenses, once they have been determined by the trier of fact, which is the court, then the court will always pronounce itself on a particular matter regarding those election offenses. In Kenya, there is evidence enough of courts having overturned individuals who have been declared winners during an election because those individuals engaged in electoral malpractices. Case in point, for example, we have got the nullification of the election of the present Bungoma Senator Moses Wetangula after the 2013 election because of having treated voters. And when that was proven in the court of law, in the High Court, his election or his win was nullified by the High Court. And there was a declared by-election for the Bungoma Senate seat. There is the one-time politician and minister, Musikari Kombo, whose election at one point was nullified by the High Court for having engaged or used what was termed as witchcraft and sorcery to, in the election process. And his election was nullified. Various by-elections after the 2013 elections were called after the court determined that various leaders who had been declared winners in various constituencies and even wards had engaged in electoral or election offenses or malpractices, which one, the law could not condone, could not permit, because if we have to engage in clean democratic processes, then such processes must be bereft of election offenses. So citizens must, one, be very informed, be aware, not just on the general front, but understanding that which has been captured in law and even in the Constitution. Various actors can be very instrumental in creating an informed citizenry.